Guess who it is? It's me, the non-tool guy. I got Dad this battery-powered chainsaw for Christmas from Harbor Freight. It's a Bauer brand, but I got a great deal on it. It's got a 10-inch bar on it. You buy the charger kit and the battery, which was $85, and I got the saw for free. So I went ahead and got the 2-year warranty, and that made it $105 altogether. And I don't think that's bad at all. Now, these are not for taking down large trees or anything like that. They're, 5 to 6 inch branches that come down. These are for cutting those up so you don't have to get the gas-powered saw out and get it started, because sometimes they can be hard to start. And this is not for professional use, lumberjack type use. It's just, an occasional limb that comes down and you want to when the weather gets better, we'll try it out and see how it works. I'll put the scabbard back on. But I think Daddy can handle that one. I set it over on the miter saw for now. I'm going to show you the chainsaw sharpener and how it works. You're going to love this, I think. I think you will. All right, here's the little sharpening device right here. It's got variable speed. It's from a company called Power Care. I got it at Home Depot and it was like 40 bucks. And it comes with these three grinding stones. And that would be the 3 stones. The smallest one is 5 and 32. Whoop, there it is. 5 and 32. And then the medium is 3/16. And this larger stone is 7 and 32. Depending on how... Let's pull the scabbard off this Echo. Ugh. Depending on what size of chain you have. We got 3 saws here. The little one is a fourth of an inch, and then we have the Wood Boss. It is 0.325 is what the chain size is, and then this Timberwolf from Echo, it's 3/8. So the littlest one, 5 and 32, that goes right here, as you can see, right there. So that's perfect for that one. And then the middle size, which is 3/16, it goes on this one. It works right here on this one. Whoops. Ugh. So it's perfect for that one. And then the bigger one, the 7 and 32, it would go right here on the Echo, like that. So, and you got this. This has holes in it so that you can line up the right sides. It's got numbers. Let's see. 3, 7, 5. The first one is the smallest one, which is 5 and 32. If it's in that hole, all right, I can't see what I'm doing. If it's in the hole right there, and then we go up to number 3, that's 3/16. It fits correctly in the hole there. Let me see if I can get that in the hole. So that tells you that, hold on, there. That tells you that you're correct. And then, sorry about the camera work. The one that's marked 7 is for 7 and 32. Whoops, well, darn it. I dropped it. I need a camera person to help me. Whoop, wrong one. Right there. 7 and 32 right there. Perfect fit. So that tells you that you're right on that. And if you look at the end of your bar, it'll tell you what your chain size is, if the bar's not too worn out. Otherwise, you can just go on the internet and look it up. Type in your model and it'll give you the size of chain. So let's show you how the sharpener works. Okay, we're going to grab the 7 and 32 bit right there. We're going to stick it inside the cullet. Now we're going to tighten that. Press on the button to lock it down. It works just like a Dremel tool. And then tighten it down good like that. See, that's tight. Now you can put the guide on there. Goes on like that. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. There it is. It has guidelines telling you the pitch of the tooth. Like that. And I think the best way to use that is, let's move the camera over here. Where's the camera person? I need an extra camera person. I don't know. Anyway, you put it on the tooth like this. And I'm looking at the 35. And I just get it even with the chain. Right there where it says 30. Oh no. Lighting's not good. Right where it says 35. The bottom one there. I just even that with the chain, and that seems to be exactly level with the tooth. Yep. Seems to be like dead on. The pitch seems to be exactly the same. And that's what we do there. So let's show you how it works. Remember to wear safety goggles because it does create sparks and throws out debris that you don't want in your eyes. So we're going to turn it on to about a quarter. We're going to go to about a quarter. Out right there. Now we're going to line it up with the guidelines that I said 35 seems to be right on. Right there. That's all there is to it. You touch the corner of the tooth there, and that needs to be really sharp, and that tells you got a sharp chain. That's really sharp. Now you go take the chain brake off and move it down. It's best to use a Sharpie like this. And then mark where you've been, like that, and then you go down, and then hit the rest of them. Just like that. Now when we get all the way around, then we turn the saw over and we do the same thing. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That tip feels pretty sharp. That's a good thing. Okay, we did that side. Now we're going to turn the saw around. With our little red Sharpie, or whatever color you want to use, we're going to remark it. I'll put a little X there. X marks the spot. Now we go back and we do the same thing on the other side and sharpen those teeth right down, or tooth. This is a tooth. There we go. Just to make sure, we'll go ahead and mark that again. There. We got a little X there. When we come back around to the X, we know we've gotten them all. So we can pull this down, and then we can hit several at once. We can hit several of these at once. That's what makes it faster, being able to do all of those at once. Now we can move the chain down again. So the corner is extremely sharp, so we're getting this thing sharp and good. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use this rotary tool. It's like a Dremel, but this is a Chicago Electric. Harbor Freight, 20 bucks. Comes with a 30 piece accessories along with this. Works great. I have a battery one, but you know, the ones that plug in are a little bit stronger, the corded ones, so I like corded. Corded works good. So what we're going to do, you also have to file down the rakers along with the tooth, just a little bit on each raker, and take that down so it's even with the tooth. Well, I'm not an expert on this. That's what they say to do. So let's do that now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Switch on. Well, I got it on about 4. So now we just touch the rakers up. That's going to be it for this video. That's how you do it. Well, I'm not a professional, but it should cut like butter. It'd be nice to test it, but maybe we can find somewhere to go test it. Maybe we'll do that shortly to see how well it cuts. That would be fun, wouldn't it? It sure would be. Oop, I still have hair. Not as much as I did when I was 16, but at least I still have a little bit of a top there. Anyway, we'll test it out soon on a log and see what we can do. come back and see us soon. Join my channel soon, and learn things that you never knew. And I really don't know that much either, but I try to make it look like I do. See you soon. Okay, we're here in the woods. I'm going to start up the saw, and I'm going to cut just a couple of small pieces so we can see how well it works. Lots of downed trees in this woods. I think it done pretty good. There it is. It cut her right up. There's the other piece right there. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's all do this again. All right, that's it. It works good. That's it for this video. Keep breathing, stay safe, and always wear a helmet and gloves. Goodbye, everybody. Keep your chain out of the dirt. I'm out of here.